This dance is called Oh La La. 64 count, 2 walls, and there's no tag and restart for this dance. It's an intermediate level line dance. Let me show you section 1. Step right to the side with a heel on the left. Step, heel, hold, behind, side, cross. Side, recover, quarter to the left, forward, shuffle. With a count, 1, hold, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, section 2 is a full turn. For my video, I will show you walk. So walk, left, right, step, forward on left, make a pivot half turn to your right. Step and turn half turn, weight remaining on the left, do a body dip with your finger pointing, down, up, 2 times. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, make a 1/8 turn to the left, facing 130, ball step, cross, and cross, another ball step, behind, hold, side, behind, hold, step your right to the side, side, cross, side, recover, cross. Section 3 with a count. And 1, hold, 2, and 3, hold, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, make a half turn to your right. Quarter, forward shuffle, rock, recover, big step, right back, and step your left back. So section 4, with a count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, step your right back, make a 1/8 turn to your left, with your left touch. Step your left down, make a half turn to your left, stepping your right back. Step your left back, touch right, and do 2 walks, right, left. Section 5 with a count. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6, B. Out, in, sweep, and make a quarter to your right, and point with your neck. So section 6 with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 7, do a rolling right with a left chassis. Quarter, half, quarter, side chassis, rock, recover, quarter to your right, walk. From here, section 7 with a count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, just box, quarter turn to your right. Cross, back, quarter, forward. Do 2 pivot half turn to your left. Step, turn, step, turn. You will end the dance here. To begin the dance on the next wall, make a half turn to your left. And you start the dance from here, behind, side, cross. Let me show you last section with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5.